What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Sunshine on Your Skin by Lil Peep and I Love McConan. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as a notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial. Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play the song. Okay guys, this song is in standard tuning and it's only using 3 chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Your first chord is going to be C major. It's 0, 3, 2, 0, 1, 0. Ring finger 3rd fret on your A string, middle finger 2nd fret on your D string, index finger 1st fret on your B string. Then you're going A minor, keep your index and your middle right where it's at, and put that ring finger on the 2nd fret of the G string. And then E minor, take index finger off, move your ring and your middle finger down 1 string, 2nd fret on the A with your middle finger, 2nd fret on the D with your ring finger. Once you got your chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. It's going to be down, 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 up, down, up, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. So you're switching to your A minor and your E minor on a up strum. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Now, the way the giveaways are going to work is each month I'm going to pick 2 winners. One will receive a guitar accessories kit and the other will receive a t-shirt from my Billy Schultz Music merch site. Once the channel hits 100,000 subscribers, I'm going to pick one of you lucky winners to win a free brand new acoustic guitar. The way you can enter the giveaway is like this video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and leave a comment on this video with the song that you want me to teach you on guitar. Turning on notifications is extremely important because each month I'm gonna live stream the monthly giveaway winners, and then when we hit 100,000 subscribers, I'm gonna live stream the winner of the acoustic guitar, and you gotta have those notifications turned on to get notified for the live stream. I'm super excited to give away another acoustic guitar. I just gave away one when I hit 50,000 subscribers, and that just reminded me why I'm doing this. It's all for you guys, because if it wasn't for you, the channel wouldn't be where it is. So again, thank each and every one of you so much for all the love, all the support. Remember, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, leave a comment on this video with a song that you want to learn on the guitar, and we'll see you in the next video.